Hello everyone, welcome back. Great to have you here. Today we are exploring a crypto platform that focuses on combining trading performance with structured decision making. We will take a closer look at BloneX exchange and its ecosystem token Blone and how it integrates derivatives trading with AI-based assistance. Before we move ahead, just a quick note, this video is shared for educational and informational purpose only and should not be treated as financial advice. Viewers, if you like content, BloneX is a trading platform built mainly around derivatives trading while still aiming to keep things simple for everyday users. Here's what it brings to the table. So you can check out that it provides fast trade execution reported under 10 milliseconds, stable system with strong uptime performance, access to over 200 trading pairs, a dedicated perpetual future trading system with amazing features. Here you can check out an overview of the key features of the platform. For those who prefer a more straightforward approach, there is also an up-down trading option allowing users to take simple directional positions. The platform tries to balance speed, efficiency, and ease of use. Viewers, BloneX focuses on more than just trade execution. It aims to support better trading behavior. At the center of this experience is Nex AI, which works as a supportive assistant rather than an automated trader. Instead of making decisions for you, it helps by following your predefined trading rules, reducing impulsive trading during volatility. So this setup helps users stay aligned with their strategies instead of reacting emotionally to the market changes. So here you can check out live pre-sale is on the way. So you can check out that 9 stages have been present and 250 million total pre-sale supply with 1 billion total supply. You can also check out the pre-sale contract. Network is BNB Smart Chain with Chain ID 56. Token contract is also available. So viewers, if you want to be part of this pre-sale, you will click on Buy Now, and when we click on Buy Now, we go to the pre-sale interface. Here you can see that I have connected my wallet. So let's talk about the pre-sale. The Blone token is currently available through an ongoing pre-sale phase, allowing early access to the ecosystem. Live data snapshot shows current price is around 0.1 US dollars, and with a possible increase to 0.15 US dollar in the next phase. And the next phase is going to be started in just a given date. You can check out the timestamp. So the time has been mentioned here. Just 26 days are remaining in the next phase. So over 222,000 USDT raised up till now, and 4.31 million Blone has been sold, and the supply left is 245.69 million. So here you can see that a countdown timer shows how much time is left in the current stage, while a progress indicator reflects overall participation. The platform includes a built-in calculator for quick estimates, and it supports USDT and BNB. So if we select USDT, and here you can see that if we put 1,000 US dollar, so here you can see that we will be able to get 10,000 Blone token. So we will put the amount, approve USDT, and confirm the transaction. So in this way, you can buy it. So the transactions are supported on BNB Smart Chain, and a live transaction feed also shows decent activity and highlighting ongoing participation from users. So you can check out the live transactions and you can verify it on BSC Scan. And the next amazing feature, that is swap. Here you can check out that BloneX also includes an integrated swap feature allowing users to convert Blone into USDT with the platform. The dashboard separates balances into different categories such as valid balance and unused entitlement and swappable Blone. This structure helps users clearly track their assets. These limits are designed to maintain liquidity balance and system stability, preventing sudden fluctuations. So here we will discuss our next amazing feature, and that is AI route informant system. Viewers, BloneX uses an AI-based system to encourage controlled trading behavior. This system works by monitoring users' action, evaluating consistency through a scoring model, and sending alerts when actions not match. Set rules, restriction certain actions when necessary. Example include setting leverage limits, encouraging stop-loss usage, and adding cooldown periods after losses. This helps create a more structured trading environment. So you can also check out the pre-sale levels. AI functionality expand depending on how much Blone a user hold. Here's how tiers are organized. The first tier is starting with 1,000 Blone, basic tools and periodic updates, and the next one is intermediate with 10,000 Blone, more advanced rules and regular insights, and the Third one is 100,000 blown, full customization, real-time feedback, and deeper control. Higher tiers unlock more detailed tools and flexibility. Now comes to the most important point, that is Blown token role in the ecosystem. Viewers, Blown is a central utility token within the BloneX platform. It's used to unlock features and enhance the user experience. Holding Blown may provide reduced trading fees, access to advanced features, reward opportunities, participation, and governance. The goal is to make Blown a functional and useful part of the platform. Here you can also check out the Blown tokenomics and distribution detail have been mentioned here. Contract address has been given here. You can copy it, and the allocation details have been provided here. You can check out reward, pre-sale, operations, ecosystem, strategic reserves, marketing, and team. Share in number and percentage both are mentioned here. And you can also check out the exclusive pre-sale benefits. Here you can see that it provides you lowest entry price with same utility and the long-term ecosystem participation and the community priority. These are the amazing benefits. You can also check out the price progression by stage. And here you can also check out how it works. So viewers, first of all, you will have to connect your wallet and purchase your desired amount of tokens, and 15% of the purchase immediately at the TGE, and the 85 remaining will be distributed over a 12-month, and you can then enjoy the benefits. Here is the complete process how you can get started. If you are planning to explore the participation straightforward guide, step 1, download a wallet such as MetaMask or any other that is compatible to it, and then you will have to select BNB Smart Chain. Then you will have to add some BNB or USDT in your wallet, and then you will accept the terms, and then after TGE you can claim your tokens and access the available features. Here you can also check out the pre-sale schedule. Current stage is 2, and you can also check out the this is ending. The time schedule has been given here. You can also check out a comparison, and here you can also check out the vesting timeline schedules, and example calculation has been mentioned here. Roadmap has been explained here with full detail. If you have any question, you can find out detailed answer, and here a legal clarification has been provided here. So viewers, you can also check out the white paper. The white paper explains the project in details. It covers platform design, AI integration, future roadmap, token utility, and all other details. Reading it provides a deeper understanding of the ecosystem, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to join the social media communities like X and Telegram of the BloneX, because these social media channels help users stay informed and engage. So link has been given in the description of the video. And my final thoughts about BloneX are as viewers, BloneX combines fast execution technology, AI-assisted decision support, and utility-based token integration. The focus is on helping users move toward planned and disciplined trading rather than emotional decision making. It introduces a system designed to improve consistency over time. What is your view on AI supporting trading tools? Do you think they can improve trading discipline? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with others, and stay